Natwest Investment ISA Review. In this video, we're taking a look at Natwest Investment ISA to see if it's the right fit for your savings needs. So to get started, NatWest's Investment ISA allows you to invest tax-free while choosing from a range of funds. It offers ready-made investment portfolios, making it a good option for those who want a hands-off approach. The bank also provides guidance tools to help you understand your investment choices. However, NatWest fees can be slightly higher compared to other providers, and its range of investment options is somewhat limited. If you're looking for a wider selection of funds or lower fees, other platforms might be more suitable. Overall, NatWest Investment ISA is a convenient choice for existing NatWest customers who want a simple way to invest. But if you're after more flexibility, it's worth exploring other options. And that's my review of the NatWest Investment ISA.